Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying essentials: an Azure subscription, AD tenant, Power BI Pro, and a Data Lake Gen 2 account. Once done, register an app in Azure AD or choose a managed identity and capture the client ID and secret. Then make sure hierarchical namespace is enabled on the storage account and assign the storage blob data reader role to the service principal or user. These steps let you authenticate securely and read the file system. Now you're ready to move into Power BI and make the connection. You open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data, then Azure Data Lake Gen 2. Enter the storage account or file system URL and choose Authentication. Use Organizational Sign-In or OAuth 2 with your service principal credentials. Once authenticated, browse containers and folders, preview Parquet or CSV files, and load selected items. Use Power Query to clean, filter, and shape data, apply column transforms, promote headers, and set data types. After preparing models, validate relationships, and prepare to publish to the Power BI service. You publish the PBICs to your Power BI workspace, then open the dataset settings to configure credentials and privacy. If the data lake is behind a VNet or firewall, install and configure an on-premises data gateway or use managed private endpoints. Otherwise, set OAuth/service principal authentication in the service. Schedule refresh and assign workspace permissions. If a refresh fails, check that the service principal has storage blob data reader role, that hierarchical namespace is correct, and that firewall or network rules.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.